How to update Evony game on your Android or iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to look if your Evony King's Return game is up to date on your device or not, follow this small procedure. First of all, launch open the Evony game on your device whether you are using an Android or iOS. After you're inside this main home page of Evony, go ahead and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and look for the Update button, which should appear at the very bottom. Tap on that. Now, this will tell you if you are using the latest version of Evony game or not. If you see this title over here that says this is the latest version, then you are good to go. If you don't have the latest version yet, you can go ahead and get to your Play Store or your App Store and get the app updated. So there you have it. If you want to update your app, another way, you can also go and open up your Google Play Store or App Store and type in Evony in the search bar. Once you make a search for it, look for the Evony The King's Return game and open up its info section. From the page, look for an update button instead of play and tap on it if it is available. So after you tap on update, you'll install the latest version of the Evony The King's Return game. So there you have it. That's super easy and simple. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.